Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see about letter I. Few words that starts with letter I and the sound of letter I. This is a capital I. This is a capital I. This is a small I. This is a small I. The sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter I is E. Come, let's see few words that starts with letter I. I for igloo. Igloo. I for igloo. For ink. Ink. I for ink. I for insect. Insect. I for insect. I for injury. Injury. I for injury. I for internet. Internet. I for internet. I for inside. Inside. I for inside. I for imagination. Imagination. I for imagination. I for infant. Infant. I for infant. I for injection. Injection. I for injection. Come, let's see it again. I for igloo. I for ink. I for insect. I for inside. I for internet. I for imagination. I for injury. I for infant. I for injection. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.